Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by gathering and measuring ingredients for the steak and garlic sauce. 1 pound steak, 4 cloves garlic, 2 tablespoons butter, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1/4 cup beef stock, and 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Mince 4 cloves of garlic fine so it releases aroma quickly. Pat the steak dry with paper towels, then season both sides with 1 teaspoon salt and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Let the seasoned steak rest for about 10 minutes at room temperature while you preheat your pan to high heat. Heat a heavy skillet or cast iron pan until shimmering. Add 2 tablespoons olive oil and let it smoke lightly. Sear the 1 pound steak for 3 to 4 minutes per side for medium rare, adjusting time based on thickness. Use a meat thermometer to check doneness. 130 degrees F for medium rare, 140 degrees F for medium. Remove steak to a cutting board and tent loosely with foil, letting it rest for 5 minutes so juices redistribute. Resting prevents loss of moisture and keeps the steak tender when sliced. After removing the steak, lower the pan heat to medium and add 2 tablespoons butter. Stir in the 4 cloves minced garlic and sauté for 30 to 45 seconds until fragrant, taking care not to brown the garlic. Deglaze the pan with 1/4 cup beef stock and add 2 tablespoons soy sauce, scraping up brown bits. Simmer for 1 to 2 minutes until the sauce reduces slightly. Finish the sauce with 1 teaspoon lemon juice and 1 tablespoon chopped parsley. Then slice the rested steak and spoon the garlic sauce over.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.